How to use Google AI Studio for training models. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Google AI Studio for training models. Now, fine-tuning a base general Gemini model with a data set can improve the performance on specific tasks using Google AI Studio. So before using the AI Studio, you could organize the data into a format that models can learn from. So basically, the format includes the CSV or the Excel file as well. Once done, you could use the input or output pair structure. One column should contain the prompt and the other should contain the desired model response. You want to then ensure there are at least 20 high quality examples. It is often better to have 1000 to 500 examples for a complex task as well. In order to access the tuning tool, you want to go to the Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Once done signing in the left hand side bar, you just want to tap onto the menu bar and go to tuned models or create new. When you click onto the create new button, after which you just want to click open the import section and select the prepared CSV or Excel file. The model's learning process can be adjusted and you want to start tuning, so click on the tune or start tuning and monitoring process as well. The studio will show a loose curve graph. If the loose value decreases over time, the model is successfully learning patterns from the data. So this way you'll be able to use AI Studio for training models. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.